This is for UX and UI designers and students. If you would like to embed a clickable prototype into a web page, this is how to do it. This is a Figma prototype. The way that it will look is that the person is able to interact with the experience and just click around as you would on a normal app. So this is a great addition to your portfolio page, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So you need to go into Figma and you select the starting screen, and you then need to go into the prototype area here on the right. I've already set this up. This is a starting point and it says from splash screen there, so you might want to name that. You then click play here. When you click play, a screen like this opens up. There are some options that you can set here, such as showing the sidebar and not showing the sidebar. Those will affect the file, but you can also edit those after grabbing the code. So the way that you grab the code to put it into your web page or your portfolio project page is that you go here and you need to set it to anyone with the link can view, and then you get the embed code here and click copy. Once you've done that, go into your website builder. I'm using Wix here at the moment, but you can use almost anything. There are plenty of website builders. And you go down to embed code and embed HTML. So whatever option you have in your builder to embed HTML, click plus to add that. I'm just going to close it because I've already added it to the page. So here it is added, and then I can edit the code. Now I've already got that added in there, but what you would do is you would paste this code in. So to get it to look like this, what I've done is I've set the border to 0, whereas it was set to 1 before in the actual code, and I've set the width to 400 and the height to 850. You don't need to change anything else. The rest of this is just the link to the Figma file. So if you update that Figma file later with different options, it will come through and show up on this page. That's why it's a good idea to have a separate copy of each file in Figma that you do link through to your design folio. So once you've done that, click update. I'm just going to close that and then click publish, and it's going to end up looking like this.